Guys, today we're gonna have the Hot Ones hot sauce. Now there's something called the last stab where you like sprinkle some little driplets of sauce onto the chickens, and it's supposed to be very spicy, extra spicy. Okay, and this is the trio pack. It has the XXX, Apollo, and the X Xperience. Let's see how we do, because I had my fair share of Prudak, 2X. Maybe it won't be so bad. I don't know. We don't know. I've seen small clips of like Blackpink having it, so I don't know too much about the Hot Ones. I think it's just where celebrities go on to a show and then they try the hot sauce and talk and have a small interview while they're doing this. So I'm sure it'll be a good time. Hopefully it won't be too crazy. But let me get these sauces out of here and then we'll get straight into it. Okay, first sauce, second sauce, third sauce. Okay, I may have defeated the box. I win, I guess. I don't know, it's silly. All right, so let's take these wrappers off and then I'll show you the deets. I can just twist it off. Okay, let's check it. All right, we have the Manganero chicken tenders, and then we have the waffle fries, and then we have our ranch. Okay, and then we have our sauces here. Okay, last Apollo and the X Xperience, and then probiotics here just in case I need soy milk, and then gasharmangsu, this is for gas, and a banana just in case I need it. All right, so let's get into it. So the weather's been really like crazy over here. It's been flooding. So I need a little pick-me-up, It's July 4th weekend. Tomorrow I have to go to work, unfortunately, but I need to have my last hurrah of this weekend because 3-day weekends don't come along too much. All right. So let's try this. All right. And these chicken tenders, they're from Pluckers. All right, so let's start off with this one. Ooh, this is mango habanero. If you don't know, Manganero is mango habanero. And so I'm gonna just get, okay, what are the instructions? Caution, this final sauce on Hot Ones cranked the spice levels up to these 3 districts. Okay. Okay, there's no directions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 droplets. Let's go. Actually kind of tasty on here. So this one, the XXX, is a level 10 out of 10. Okay. Initially, I didn't feel it, but I'm sweating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm sweating. It's good, but very spicy. Okay, I'm gonna give my husband a piece. It's very tasty, by the way. Just 3 dabs. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here you go, my dear. It sneaks up on you. It's pretty tasty, actually, I will say, but it is kind of spicy. All right, for the second sauce, we're having the Apollo, which is 11 out of 10. The spice level is going up. I'm sweating. Okay. One, 2, 3. Okay, 4. All right. 4. Make it interesting. All right. Here we go. All right, let's do it. This one's pretty good. This one's a spice level 11 out of 10. I actually really enjoy this. This is delicious. With the mango habanero. Are we supposed to be having more sauce? Or does it like hit you just all at once? Let me give you a piece, babe. This one's actually really tasty. I like this sauce. It's a little bit more tangy of a sauce. Oh, okay, let's go. It is getting spicy, I will say. I don't feel that visceral, like that feeling, but I do feel like sweating, okay? All right, let's do the last sauce. And this one's supposed to be 11 out of 10 as well. So hopefully it's not too spicy. Let me cut off a piece. How is it? Do you like, which one do you like so far? The second one too? All right, so we have our chicken piece. And then we're gonna add the sauce. I will say, when it hits the back of your throat, it is pretty spicy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I like that. It's over 91% pepper X. I don't know what that means, but that's what it says on the label. Delicious. Guys, that's so good. I am sweating. I'm gonna give some to my honey. I really enjoy it. It's really good. Hey, Gollum. Hey, no cat on here. It is spicy. Like, I just licked off the side right here, and it is spicy. I'm gonna have some water. But with this Manganero, like the sweetness kind of helps, and there's like protein, you know, that also helps. But I like, have you tried this one? Which one do you like more? Second or third? Second. Okay. I'm gonna try one with all of the sauces. Oh, so good. Thanks, babe. Okay, I am getting that visceral reaction now. Okay. Sauce. Okay, let's try it. You know when things start to get spicy, they get kind of bitter. I'm starting to feel it. It is. I was being a little too cocky. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get some fries. Oh, it just comes to kick you when you're down. Oh, 매운데? Oh, it's so spicy. Oh, the levels, it sneaks up on you. I was being way too cocky. I'm like, oh, this isn't spicy at all, you know? It is very spicy. It's spicy. Okay, getting my calm back. Let's go back to the second sauce. Hey there, Kawu. Okay, three dabs. You know, smell? 매울 텐데. Smell? He backed away. He was like, not today. Oh, my nose. It's running. Oh no, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. Guys, if you guys want to see something, I know it's kind of a little, some people might think it's weird, but this is a paper towel roll. I know it's a lot of paper towels. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it to support on both sides and maybe it won't run down. Oh, yeah, look at that. Maybe I was wrong. Okay, it will run down anyway. Maybe I need to put a chip clip on it or something, but yeah, I have a tripod just for paper towels right now. Oh, my nose is running. Thanks, Bear. Maybe put it like right here or something. Okay. So my little paper towel tripod, I'm gonna just move it around. Oh, but man, it's so spicy that without this, the taste was bitter almost, but it's so good with the mango habanero, I will say. The second one, the Last Stop Apollo, was really good, and I like the Last Stop Xperience as well, personally. It's good to have, like, if you're gonna travel and you love spice, but more than 3, I was a little cocky when I added dabs of each hot sauce on the last one, but really good. It would be nice to have if you get stressed out at work and you're like me, who likes spice. Really good. I have hair. Guys, I cut my own hair at home. So I'm tired of going to the hair salon. Because I don't know if you guys are like me, but I don't like going to places that you take hours at, you know? I get perms in my hair, but right now I'm just gonna hold off until cut out all the perm. Staying at the hair salon for hours or getting eyelash extensions for hours, no longer can I tolerate. I don't know, I just wanna be home, even though I'm becoming more beautiful by being there, but I just wanna be home, guys. It's just something about comfort of home. I'm curious to see if my sisters want to try this. Because I know one sister anyway, she likes spice like me. 진짜 맛있어. Right, honey? Now I can see why people do this. Really good. The weather has been so bad. It's terrible what's been going on in the news and for the families. Oh. Lately, I've been watching Breaking Bad. Watched the whole season over the weekend. Was it 4 or 5 seasons? 5 seasons. Now we're watching Call Saul. There was a couple characters I really liked in Breaking Bad. Like, I liked Saul. And I liked Mike. I think a lot of character development for Pinkman. If you can handle a little bit of like gore, the storyline is really nice. I really like it. Another series that I liked was Alice on Netflix. It's also pretty gory, but it makes you think. I like things that make you think. I used to only like fluffy stuff. It's like love and like there's nothing wrong with love, okay, and reality TV, but now I love things that make me think, or documentaries, because I feel like there's some intellectual stimulation going on in my brain when I'm watching things. And me and my husband, we're like those terrible people at the movie theaters who are like, this is gonna happen next. Most of the time, one of us are right. I don't know. What are you guys watching right now? I was thinking about watching Walking Dead again, but it's so long. There's so many series. What, isn't there 10 seasons or something? I want some hot sauce. It gets too sweet, so you're like, or it has this numbed my sense of heat. Because like, you know when you have something really spicy and then you have something that's not very spicy, and then you can't taste that not so spicy flavor anymore? Maybe it has numbed me just a tad. Okay, that was 5 droplets. I like it, it's tangy. Not so bad, but let me tell you this, and this has happened to me in the little nitro challenge video, and in the Buffalo Wild Wings challenge, where it just gets extremely spicy because it hits the back of your esophagus, and once it hits there, GG, you're done. It's like fire. Yeah, but it is getting, it's slowly rising again. So I think it's a buildable heat, I'm guessing. In a sense, I do feel like hot sauce can kind of make you feel like you've taken truth serum, because you're like, so like, like you can't even think straight. And if someone asks you a question, you're like, you can't even be coy or like think of something smart to say, you know? It's just as is. So not every video do I burp, but like when I do burp, it's most of the time because it's either spicy, I'm consuming a lot of air, or the food is really greasy. It's too sweet now, just like this. You know, I just love these sauces. Although I think it will take me a while to get through them all. One, two, three. What one? How is it? I'm kind of glad I tried this. Now I know like a sense of what it would taste like. Although I will say having it with something sweet like this does help kick down the spice level. So maybe it's cheating. Maybe I need to have it on a, no, I think it's cheating. Let's try it. All 3 sauces on this one. Okay. Let's do it right. Because I think it's just fried chicken that they do this on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We gotta be careful not to get on our hands because we wear contacts around here. GG, you know? Get this in your eye. Okay, here we go. All right, let's do this. feel nothing. And then watch me later, 2 seconds later, be like, oh my gosh, I'm dying. Is this the Apollo that I like? Hopefully I won't have diarrhea tomorrow. Some probiotics. This one tastes like candy, guys. You know, like wafers? That's what it tastes like. I have the pill version that has the pre and probiotic, but this one just tastes better. Like candy. Let me get beauty of mist. Pull it together. Oh. All right, thanks for watching today's mukbang, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.